Look at that. It's a thick boy lens right here. And then here is my new camera, the Canon EOS R. Today I am going to Best Buy again. I'm going to spend $2,100 on this camera. I have a production company, and when it comes to creating big budget content, gotta put a little bit of money down. I get paid tomorrow, so I'm not gonna be too hurt. I sold my MacBook and I sold the Xbox Series S, turned a little bit of a profit, and I'm gonna invest back all of that money to get this Canon EOS R. Pulled up to Best Buy and got the #1 parking spot right in front of the store. You know what that means. I was meant to be here right now. Shout out to Canon. I've been using Canons almost my entire career at this point, and I've gotten extremely familiar with their software and how to use their camera. So, what's your name, man?
Justin.
Justin. Yeah. Justin's helping me out, man. Yeah, I got a project this weekend that is higher budget, so I figured I'll go ahead and invest in the EOS R. Yeah, I do YouTube as well. So I vlog. Rahiem.
It's your boy.
I do quite a bit of different content. I do vlogs here and there, entrepreneurship stuff. So like I vlog during the weekend. It's almost 2,000 subs, man. Almost 2,000 subs.
Congrats, man. Keep going with it.
I appreciate that. Remember the last time I was here, I was looking for tripods. Didn't necessarily find the one I wanted. I'm thinking this Manfrotto. I was hoping to get something a little bit more on the aluminum side, but I like this one for the handle. Yo, I knew I was missing something. Left my whole phone either in the car or at home. Hopefully it's in the car. I don't recall having my phone. Dang, man. I left my whole phone at home. Oh my gosh. I gotta run back home real quick and grab my phone. That is embarrassing. That is so embarrassing. I am back, and look at that. My parking spot's still there. I know my man is not still standing there, so I'm gonna have to find him again, but at least we got everything together. Here goes my first big boy camera. I done sold the Xbox, sold a laptop, finally got a camera that is full frame. Entrepreneurship really comes with risk. It takes big investments in order to do great stuff. And I wouldn't be doing this if it's not something that I'm passionate about. So let's go home and unbox this thing because Rahiem sure don't got no more money. All right, we're back here in the office. Super excited to unbox this camera. I decided, yes, I'm gonna go ahead and get the Canon EOS R. I already got the Canon M50. And I just know one day, me and Canon are gonna have a great relationship. We already do. It's about to be a hell of a tax write-off. Got the battery pack right here. There is the battery. USB-C to USB-C. We like to see that. Anything USB-C, we love it. Looks like we got the charger box here. It's a pretty hefty charger too. The camera strap may or may not use that. Look at that. It's a thick boy lens right here. I was never really big on buying lenses because I know lenses are extremely expensive and I just haven't had the money to kind of like invest in lenses, but I feel like this is the camera that's gonna broaden my horizons as far as like lenses go. And then here is my new camera, the Canon EOS R. It feels and looks exactly like I expected it to. Probably gonna get a battery attachment here. We got the lens, I'm gonna go ahead and attach that. This is the biggest, most expensive camera I've ever had in my life. Wow, wow, wow. This thing feels amazing. Let's see if we have any power. We don't have any power. So I'm gonna go ahead and plug this in to charge for a little bit. Yeah, that battery is fully dead. I love that Canon battery chargers. They don't need any extra wires. You kind of just plug them into the wall like this and it'll start charging for you. See, this is the charger for my Canon EOS M50, the one that I'm using right now. And simply just pop the battery in and plug it into the wall. Always really like that about Canons. This camera, yo, I'm hyped. Like, my photos are nice on my M50. Don't get me wrong. But this is a full frame camera. Oh man, I'm just geeking out on this camera right now. We got a microphone slot here, headphone jack right here, and then we got HDMI and looks like USB-C for data transfer and external monitors. I could spend hours talking to you guys about how proud I am of where I'm taking my company and how far I've come, but I know that it's not over. This is literally the beginning. Thank you guys for watching, tagging along for this journey. I feel like I'm doing an acceptance speech. Thank you. We're almost at 2,000 subscribers too, by the way. I'm very excited to be pushing these videos out super quickly for you guys, so thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next vlog. Peace.